Mo flag bearer na yebe yi wa ha.
Ni po betu frank adiama NPP.
Ha na yebe yi no.
Na ya fu ya na mantie. Na mantia.
Na anu ya na mo amokofa abayo.
Wonu ani jejireje. Hey,
na anu ya na mo amokofa abayo.
Wonu ani jejireje. Say ya kan yo. Ya kan ye na mantie.
E na awo ho.
Anu a wo meti kopo. Swantie. Na akra ya tunufu awantie no nana. Empanize okwa ante ade.
Okwa ante ade.
Nana ante ade nso so ufimi papa krom gomu odumase a na wo kogomu ante ade.
Abusia Kwame Nkrumah tikese sontreni a odin adwuma ewo OKFM na se na no pe bi otena adwum no fra manyofo no nyomo twetwe nkomo e de fa se no amanyosem no etie ene o man Ghana ho ensensem yehu ne se oye sontreni na emom yenim se oye amanyoni na emom wo dwumedi a wodi ewo OKFM watene din se ade ache bia so no eho eno na pamfo kotena ase na wo train NPP fo se kamia ye se aba na omokoto ye ekoyi Dr. Muhammad Bawumia no NPP fo eyemfumso enu nti na omokoto saba na sai omobesan kwa prime CBM asan akwa akoto aba akoyi flag bearer mana bedi NPP enim na omodi akwa oku 2028 no Kwame Nkrumah tikese trese wo de NPP fo no omoda omona omunye adwuma no ono ene na pamfo no ebeyi obi e de ma NPP a ode wo mobekosa no no makwa kodi nkunim eye hwan ena Kwame Nkrumah tikese ese woni ne piu no ebeyi no ede na ma NPP abusia sansam no ena mede baba so mu America wo se aha eye tuma gie subscribe ma page na femi adoma no so sa no upload bia ba msa ebetimi aka Prophet Dr. Bednego e contact go screen no asefa na ne twetwe nkomo so mu ha bia na mu bia papa ebetimi aboa wo e wo sa kwan se busia se ne nyina yenim se ansa ne ebeto aba ayi mampeni na monyone bia ebeko bibia fe ne se primaries no makwa koto aba ayi kandi ne fe ne se flag bearer na waba aba bedi wo manim no mo de akosa na se Ganafo eji ni pakro no tumo omoto aba no de ama no amo aba ba mampeni sa na 2024 aba na eto no ekokoye ya Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ne di enkunim edi ma NPP nti obeya flag bearer edi NPP amanyoko nenim emom de ko ko na ewi achi no akwakodi enkuguo ama mahama na edi no enkunim na sa ensemi ba ne NPP fo na woma kyeremu yie paade nti enkuguo no ebaaye ebi de hye asofo ne bi de hye MPs na ebi so de hye womo musuba mu da na di a anya Ganafo fe ye no ntino moto aba no editi a mo say ye tiasi na ye ti nkwamu 2028 ye besan akwakoto aba ne biem na eno na Kwame Nkrumah tikese kyerese NPP fo womo kwato aba mo yi flag bearer no omo yi Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ono na wa party no ama party no entimi enni nkunim enti ono Kwame Nkrumah tikese a watena OKFM so edi ne dwumedi ye fe ne se ade achi bia no ono ene na pamfo no mu di dwuma ni nyina wo mo kyerɛ Ganafo ene NPP fo se wo mo sign akoto aba no akwakoyi flag bearer ama wadi obanim 2028 ede akokon ne dia mo mu nsan honorable Kennedy Akomprekon Agyapong ho enkonko yi obi a sei ono de nsɛm no etu dwafai
mo flag bearer na yebe yi wa ha.
Ni po betu frank adiama NPP.
Ha na yebe yi no.
Na ya fu ya na mantie. Na mantia.
Na anu ya na mo amokofa abayo.
Wonu ani jejireje. Hey,
na anu ya na mo amokofa abayo.
Wonu ani jejireje. Say ya kan yo. Ya kan ye na mantie.
E na awo ho.
Anu a wo meti kopo. Swantie. Na akra ya tunufu awantie no nana. Empanize okwa ante ade.
Okwa ante ade.
Nana ante ade nso so ufimi papa krom gomu odumase a na wo kogomu ante ade.
Be se ye yi no. E bedwa.
Aye me papa ye nu.
I bet it's a hit, man.
It's a hit, man.
You never hit it. None of your cover.
Where be you, my dear woman?
I think that's so awesome. Nadia, my home awesome.
Nane, a Jadan as you or one, I don't be up for now, but the bayan nail clock. Nipa ya all night I do. Of fire. Ooh. Mustn't be a papa and a journalist for be fresh from see a can radio so and a Jadan say radio bay and a year later now was okay from Munkan was the Koda was one man can what do be auntie what you get from Munkan was any Koda oh to Muda crowd we need problem yeah I there was somebody anana Echen firing squad o.
Ye be see say ku. Nana me kwava. Abo e cover.
Nobody. We be chinchin ya sa na so ba ko dan there. Santumamwa, NPP is bleeding.
Oh.
Hame. Anything that we have to do to salvage our party. We, the young ones in the party, will support the leadership and get it right. It is not far-fetched that the NPP can come back to power in 2028. If we do, and that is the condition as it's meant, if we do what is right, if we do what is right, it is not far-fetched. Because no man has checked. I said they watch it. No man shegu. No one who said they were shadow. The dealing so no man shegu. You will find a way and I rate them.
Honorable. Would you mean fun a one casa on Persuaso? A year, na mean call a Timetim Junction, Lumba Junction, what and call Hong Kong. May fata for Ancassa. Tafo me fan say abotan so nie. Na ta for hospital nie. Na abotan so achi ono. Wo se kwan de mu a kosi tafo ahemfie junction so. Wo fa left here. Ene kwa ye so ma ye kwan no a ma ba besi brema na akiri. Mimi hwa na saa kwan na nem udu tafo ahemfie wo no a. Wo ko anim kakra bi a mu ofa na ye konfo e wo saa ba bi a na nsuo no wo no. Ene kwa ma si down ho. Ai. Ene akire ye tu ye ne ye betena medos akire ha. Ena me maame no maame nua no esa be kware alaji nti esa betena zongo nti no akire no alaji wu ye no ne esa eba 3 miles eba hospital yi nche if you we na o ha adwin bebrebe esa betena ho defeat no mu hu se eba ana mu ehunu we de efirimu awura chese.
Well, Kwame, with the greatest of respect, with all honesty, as I said, me perform a train power, my committee need to be responsible. But as you have really boxed your question into Otafo, I can't be big to it because I'll have to leave it with the committee. Expectations were not met from the me, the tap for no me pound for no car chairman. Expectations were not met because you hear normal way free MPO. You know normal way free buy home. Why won't you say a bit to be to the sense of the baby school in Fincino or near Juma? MP to me moano. Because of that, you know. On name the NT also Hanoho could delay so got to NPP. And then the door a woman NPP and I said I crowd. Because I don't die my because I have no could delay the soccer to my NDC. But expectations were not met. Did I yet about say around 2 o'clock I had to move to Pankrono Market with my entourage to go and beg them. Oh, information center na isi Pankrono Market one because Tafo Pankrono Tafo one big information and a Pankrono so one big information center. Ni nurse e journey fifi to go and sit on the information center, pleading with them to come and vote. You know, the reason that I was given, even though not be they were saying that Akodakoto Messiso, Nakopes Kakaka, and I said, my mamma, free, Osia, Mamudia, Mubuja, Mudi, in Benoit, some other dorsal. My Benoit 500 cities as a token for Buja phone because someone I catch them said they need at least 500 and maximum 1,000 because a giant economy this can support them. Kwame, can you imagine say after doing this, you know, indeed, it be a maybe because me yeah no tafo market, pankono market, and I'm yeah no uru market in share so. Or more so many you know were so angry and rightly so because on any unity now we are 500 we are MP young person mean to me and mama son will be also. But I tried. But those who did not get Kwame gave me so much problem to the extent that at the point I had to beg them. So, you see, so the expectation that was not met and the lack of understanding, so then you need to be kind of say it be the banapa, the BDA baby, the BDA baby. And so, key among our difficulties that we had, especially in Old Tafo, as I said, Menka, any other constituency, especially in Old Tafo, was how expectations from their son, Vincent, was not met. Even though a greater number of them realized that I had worked. Those voter, Esotio or Santa Regina, almost every constituency, we suffered from this feat. Some of them over 20,000. Mine was a bit lower, and I was luckier not to have had so much of a hit. And no dear, my room will normal shegu. And my who said the message no. We will have to carry our people along because the only party that they love and they cherish is the New Patriotic Party. What is left is for us to do what they want for them and let them understand our challenges. So come your mom, I'll say your challenges and I say your limitations. They have to understand our limitations. The days where people or some people think, say, member of parliament, why is it? In the image of God, and that's why I say, Bibi also catch the Biana, Bibi or catch the Bibi. We have to let them understand our limitation so that they know that I know no credit that MP can do everything. And say, okay, catch them, and I say, also, you will not want to me and ya, because if there's some amount of education, now, you form man who say, hey, Abante. 500 cities in now from Tafumai and the Pankononi market may Sika say and our Kabumu or the year. So to me, yes, I calculation was and your branch or your dear power, your mumpire mano, your fantanity to the bear, which may be the bit maybe a mouth for when you be. You see, that angle of communication is there. If you fail to do that kind of communication, which I fail to do, the consequences will be there. If I don't let the people understand that side and that angle of our limitation and appreciate what we do and what we go through, then we will have a difficulty. So, as I said, you don't want to shegu, you don't say the best said going forward.
I see. Now, why my memory in Kobo where you say you bet was where the copim say and Yamapa Ebeba.
Washable. Obejama NPP for your flavor, you okay.
There be any okay, Majai.
That's it.
Yes, I want to go to Shabium, Matty. There was a Musa call to Ahudwa mission honorable and a year or the chimney. When you miss cat, aye.
Was a moment be saying, one of them, maybe my chance free. Kwame, even before 2016, 17, I have a bad dog. Now, I'm confused him say, oh, my banana, I met to the shop, I met to you.
Oh!
People don't know. So people feel that, we is Guana, or better politics, or we is just all day, I'm not like those people. Today we have to put that on record. I'm not like them.
Never.
Maybe I may say, I'm not in the pocket of my wife. And I say, no better and tell mommy.
Maybe I saw Mammy Musa question you. Say, you say, because o store kakra minimum eniyama a wo kra firi aburokyire ebeton enkofo wo kwa de na wholesale and retail kese
Yes.
before say obewura politics mu ni ade ade o woye si ebusa say what other source of income wo hene
No.
what you go to say oyere
No, not possible.
Interbusia nsam na fe yede ababeso mu na Ghana fo ebisa se Kwame Nkrumah tikese no okwaje NPP card aban ya obeye NPP ni a wono na eba bekire nipa a wo se NPP fo eto aba no edema na wono eba bekire se wono ne betimi ama honorable Agyapong aba bedi NPP fo no enim ebi so kire se oyen centroni na ototo wo ma no onim se ne party no mu nsem tie no de onu so ewo akire no betimi ehu se nipa so mesi nipa benten na mode ne ba bebo am tise wo kan agin se ya na se wo kire ne se ya na ne kwan so na wo ye no se no ene afamienu a eba ye after se odi video yi ababeto monte so amede abeso mesrew se wo so obeja comment e wo video yi ase e de mam na fe kai se obenya subscribe button ne so eye too much gh e afa be on ka ho sa no upload bi atoma obenya notification no all the social media handles so kwa eye too much gh e kai se hon so obe like no wa share ama wo nua bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold e na meje so makra